Hey guys, it's Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am at the Woy Woy level crossing. The Woy Woy level crossing is located between Woy Woy Tunnel and Woy Woy Station. Trains tend to pass here doing over 100 k's an hour, so that's why I chose this level crossing. And also because that sign just here is saying something about a level crossing removal project. So I don't think this level crossing will be here for too much longer. There's a storm coming this way, as you can see ahead. I just checked the weather radar and it looks like this storm has the potential to bring some hail and some pretty strong winds. So hopefully it doesn't come too quickly because I do want to film some more trains. I really want to at least get one freight train in this video. That's my goal from now until the end of the vlog. Okay, I'll head over to Woy Woy Station now and film a few trains there. Now at Woy Woy Station. Wyong service now departing platform 2.
Station or on trains. Fines apply. Thank you. Please patrol trains and stations 1 hour a day.
And we have a central bound Oscar arriving into platform 1.
The train on platform 1 goes to Central via Strathfield. First stop Wondervine, then Hawkesbury River, Powang, Barara, Hornsby, Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield and Central.
And that's H21.
Goes to Central via Strathfield. First stop Hornsby, then Epping, stopping at Wickham, then Civic and Newcastle.
Hamilton Newcastle service arriving into platform number 2 is an 8-car V set. The leading set is V16.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Central via Strathfield. First stop Hornsby, then Epping, Eastwood.
With the rear set being V30.
The train on platform 2 goes to Newcastle. First stop Gosford, then Tuggerah, Wyong, then all stations to Broadmeadow and then Hamilton. Change at Hamilton. For a connecting bus, stop.
Yeah, stop. We have a central service approaching platform number 1.
The train on platform 1 goes to Central via Stratfield. First stop Holmes, then Epping, Eastwood, Stratfield and Central.
We have a Wyong service arriving into platform 2. This will be an all stations service.
The next train to arrive.
H50. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all for watching and goodbye for now.
The train